Hey everyone! If you're seeing the Roblox encountered an unexpected error memory dump message, don't worry. I'm going to walk you through a quick and easy fix to get Roblox working again. Just follow each step carefully. Alright, let's jump right in. First, right-click the Windows Start button on your taskbar and click Settings. Once the Settings window opens, look at the menu on the left side and select Privacy and Security. Now, at the top of the page, click on Windows Security. Under the section labeled Protection Areas, click on Device Security. In the Device Security window, find the Core Isolation section and click Core Isolation Details. Here's the important part. Look for memory integrity. If it's turned on, simply toggle it off. Once you've turned off memory integrity, go ahead and restart your computer. This step is very important, so don't skip it. After your PC restarts, launch Roblox again and check if the unexpected error memory dump problem is gone. In most cases, that's all it takes to fix the issue. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more easy Roblox fixes.